Welcome back. Today, we have a special treat for you as we delve into the world of numismatics and explore the value and heritage of a fascinating coin. I'm your host Old Chiller. Let's talk about the value of this coin. The worth of any collectible item, including coins, can fluctuate over time based on various factors, such as rarity, condition, and demand. One way to gauge the value of a coin is by looking at past auctions. The UK 2 new pence 1980 coin has been sold in auctions ranging from £100,000 to £150,000 depending on its condition and other factors. Keep in mind that these prices are subject to change, and it's always a good idea to consult with a professional or use reliable sources to get the most up-to-date information. Apart from its monetary value,
how much money do you really have in your pocket? A $204,000 penny found by a teenager. A $10,000 coin found in a Cheerios box. And an $18,000 penny found by one of our viewers.
Recently, a 2 new pence 1981 coin in mint condition was sold at the Heritage auction for an impressive price of $400,000. This is a significant increase in value from its original face value of 2 new pence. The reason for this significant increase in value is due to the rarity of this coin. As the coin was only in circulation for a few years, there are not many in existence in mint condition. Additionally, the 2 new pence coin was later replaced by the 2 pence coin, which makes the 1981 2 new pence coin even rarer. The UK 2 new pence 1979 coin, it features a portrait of Queen Elizabeth II on one side and a design of a Tudor rose on the other side. A circulated coin in average condition can be worth around 5 pence, while a coin in excellent condition can be worth up to £5,000. But for collectors, the value of this coin can be even higher. In fact, a UK 2 new pence 1979 coin in exceptional condition is going up for auction at the Heritage auctions. On this particular coin has been graded by the Numismatic Guarantee Corporation NGC as MS67, which is the highest grade possible for this coin. The NGC grading scale ranges from 1 to 70, with 70 being the highest grade possible for a coin. MS67 means that the coin is in near-perfect condition with only minor flaws. So, what is the estimated value of this exceptional UK 2 new pence 1979 coin? Well, the estimated value is between £200,000 to £400,000. That's right, a single coin could potentially sell for hundreds of pounds.
1944 steel Lincoln penny. As most of you know, during World War II, the U.S. Mint experimented with steel pennies to conserve copper for military use. However, due to an error, a small number of these steel pennies were minted in San Francisco, resulting in a rarity. If you have a PCGS-graded 1944 steel penny, it could be valued at over $100,000. Number 2 is the 1974 aluminum Lincoln penny. Now, this coin is incredibly scarce as it was never meant to be released to the public. The U.S. Mint conducted some experiments with aluminum pennies, but the idea was quickly abandoned. However, a few managed to find their way into the hands of collectors. A PCGS-graded 1974 aluminum penny can command a staggering value of over $200,000. 1981 P-dime in exceptional condition sold for a staggering $5,000. The coin exhibited sharp details, a lustrous finish, and no signs of wear or damage. Its pristine condition made it highly desirable to collectors, and the price reflects that demand. The 1955 double-die obverse Lincoln penny. This particular coin features a distinct doubling effect on the obverse side, making it highly sought after by collectors. PCGS-graded examples of this coin can be worth around $25,000 or more. The 1964 Special Mint Set Kennedy half dollar. This coin is unique because it was only available in special mint sets and not released for circulation. Due to its rarity, it has become highly sought after by collectors. The highest recorded sale for this coin at a Heritage auction was a staggering $300,000. Next up, we have the 1966 SMS Kennedy half dollar. Similar to the previous coin, this one was also not released for general circulation. It was only available in special mint sets. The 1966 SMS Kennedy half-dollar has a unique satin finish that sets it apart from regular proof coins. One of these coins fetched an impressive $150,000 at a heritage auction. The 1922 No D Lincoln penny. This coin is known for its missing D mint mark, which makes it incredibly valuable. Graded by PCGS, it can fetch an impressive value of up to $20,000 depending on its condition. We have the 1970 D Kennedy half-dollar. What makes this coin particularly valuable is the fact that it was not released for circulation. It was only available in mint sets, making it a rare find. A 1970 D Kennedy half-dollar reached a remarkable price of $100,000 at a heritage auction. The 1967 SMS Kennedy half-dollar. This coin was another product of the Special Mint Set series, known for its unique appearance. The 1967 SMS Kennedy half-dollar achieved an astounding price of $75,000 at a heritage auction. Collectors are captivated by the frosty, cameo-like details of this coin, making it a rare and valuable addition to any collection.
The 1971 2 new pence coin in uncirculated condition can be worth up to £30,000. Whereas a circulated coin may only be worth a few pence.
We have the 1968 No S proof Kennedy half-dollar. This particular coin is exceptionally rare due to a minting error. The coin was accidentally struck without the S mint mark, making it highly sought after by collectors. At a heritage auction, a 1968 No S proof Kennedy half-dollar sold for an astonishing $70,000. The missing mint mark adds a layer of intrigue to this coin, turning it into a prized possession for those lucky enough to own one. The 1909 SVDB Lincoln penny. This coin holds a special place in numismatic history as it bears the initials VDB of its designer, Victor David Brenner. Despite being relatively common, an excellent condition 1909 SVDB penny graded by PCGS can be worth well over $1 million.
Well, this particular coin is unique because of its tiny S mint mark, indicating it was minted in San Francisco. It's one of the rarest Morgan dollars out there, with only a handful in existence. At the heritage auction, it sold for a staggering $1.5 million. Next up, we have the 1913 Liberty Head nickel. This coin is so rare that only 5 specimens are known to exist. It's shrouded in mystery and intrigue, as it was produced under mysterious circumstances. At auction, one of these nickels sold for a jaw-dropping $4.5 million. Moving on to dimes, we have the legendary 1894 S barber dime. This coin is often called the king of dimes due to its rarity. It's estimated that only 9 specimens were ever struck, making it a true numismatic gem. In 2021, of these dimes was sold at auction for an astounding $1.32 million. Now let's take a look at pennies. The 1943 bronze Lincoln cent is an incredibly rare coin. During World War II, due to a shortage of copper, the U.S. Mint accidentally struck a few pennies on bronze planchets instead of zinc-coated steel. Only a handful of these exist, and they are highly sought after by collectors. One of these pennies sold at auction for an astonishing $1.7 million. Our next find is the 1877 Indian head penny. This penny is known for its low mintage, with only a few thousand produced that year. The combination of its scarcity and captivating design make it incredibly desirable to collectors. At auction, one of these pennies fetched a mind-boggling price of $2.5 million. Last but not least, we have the 1914 D Lincoln cent. What makes this coin remarkable is its unique D mint mark, indicating it was minted in Denver. Only one example is known to exist, and it's considered one of the holy grails of Lincoln cents. It's been estimated to be worth around $1.5 million. These were just a few examples of the ultra-rare dimes, pennies, and nickels that have commanded exorbitant prices at the heritage auction. But remember, it's not just about their monetary value. These coins represent a rich heritage.
1970 Dime Value Guides, Rare Errors. The U.S. Mint started minting Roosevelt dimes in 1946, a few months after Franklin D. Roosevelt died. It was a tribute to the remarkable man who led the USA to victory in World War II. The 1970 dime value is relatively low because billions of these coins were minted. However, rare specimens, particularly so-called full bands, can be worth hundreds, sometimes thousands of dollars. 1970 Roosevelt Dime Value Guides. The Philadelphia Mint produced 345,570,000 Roosevelt dimes without the mint mark in 1970. They are pretty inexpensive in low grades, and you can buy one of these coins for less than $1. Only pieces with MS67 rating can reach $950. 1972 Quarter Value Guides, Rare Errors. Are you in possession of a 1972 quarter and wonder whether the old coin is worth anything? Millions of 1972 heraldic-clad quarters are in circulation, which can depress the coin's value. That said, some rare 1972 quarters can be worth thousands of dollars. If you know what to look for, you might be lucky to identify a high-value 1972 quarter in your pocket change. I explain everything you need to know about the 1972 quarter value. You will learn some interesting historical facts, the coin's various varieties, and some 1972 quarter errors that might be worth several $100s. 1972 Quarter Value Guide. According to the PCGS, in 2018, the highest valued 1972 no mint mark quarter was graded MS67 and was auctioned for $1,320. 1975 Penny Value Guides, Rare Errors. The 1975 Lincoln Memorial Penny is a modern coin struck in 3 mints, including San Francisco, that minted only proofs. Interestingly, this coin is the most produced piece in the U.S. coinage. The first pennies contained wheat stalks on the reverse. However, those minted from 1959 to 2008 came with the Lincoln Memorial on that side, while the obverse stayed unchanged. This series is highly collectible nowadays because of these coins' historical significance and relatively low 1975 penny value. 1975 Lincoln Memorial Penny Value Guides. Auction records can be surprisingly high. For instance, one collector paid $900 for a beautiful brown coin in 2020, but the one with the red toning reached $9,000 2 years before. 1966 Dime Value Guides, Rare Errors and No Mint Mark. Did you spot the 1966 dime and were excited about owning a rare coin? Well, the 1966 dime is an interesting coin that excites many collectors. It was designed to commemorate a popular United States president and was issued during a severe coin shortage and when the mint discontinued the use of mint marks. Rare 1966 errors can be worth a lot of money, so it is definitely a good idea to pay attention to this coin. Read on to discover the 1966 dime value, its fascinating history, physical design, and high-value errors that increase the coin's value. 1966 Dime Value Guide. According to the professional coin grading service, PCGS, the most valuable 1966 dime was graded MS68 and was auctioned for $2,375 in 2021.